Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest investment plan for long-time goals, and here's the breakdown. If you're saving for something big in the future like a home, retirement, or financial freedom, PiggyVest has a long-time investment option that helps your money grow without stress. PiggyVest Invest is a core plan where your funds are placed into diversified opportunity across real economy activities like technology, trade, agriculture, and other important economical activities, because it spreads risk and aim for stronger return than simple savings. So it creates foundation for long-term goal. Another solid option is the Portfolio Plus, which bundle multiple asset types into one investment pool. It's designed to give you broader exposure and smoother growth over time, so your money works smarter, not harder. Combine either plan with regular contribution, for example, monthly deposit, and you will benefit from compounding return over the years. So if this will help you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money guide, and comment which long-term goal you like to invest in towards your savings. And that's it.